Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I have here an iPod Nano, first generation. It does not work unless it's plugged into a USB power brick. This is the old style Apple connectors. And the model number is A1137. Let me show you the behavior. So obviously right now it doesn't come on. As soon as you plug it in, I'm going to plug it in now. You can see the Apple logo comes on. And I have the lock on. Yeah, these are they have a hold here, lock. Okay, so there you go. Settings. Okay. Now as soon as I remove the power, watch the behavior. I'm removing power now. See, like a dim screen. And this won't last more than like a minute. Anyway, so it doesn't work. The plan is basically to change the battery. So that took about 10 minutes in real time. And look at this bulging battery. This definitely needs replacing. And yeah, from what I can see, it's soldered, the wires are soldered directly onto the motherboard. Let me show you a microscope view quickly. So as you can see, it's soldered directly onto the motherboard. White, red, black. Okay, so we'll return to this video once I have the battery, which for me might be a week or two. For you, it'll be right now. And the battery arrived, so we can continue with this video. Put this to one side. I'm going to remove the Kapton tape covering the cables, and then desolder the cables from the board. Turn on the soldering iron. White, red, black. That's all the wires desoldered. I'm curious if there's any voltage on this battery. I sincerely doubt it, but I'm gonna check it quickly. No, not showing voltage. No, there's no voltage whatsoever on this battery. Alright. Let's see here. I'm debating whether I should remove the old solder and put fresh solder. Well, I guess there's no need. Let me just add a tiny bit of fresh solder on top of the existing, and then we'll just try to drop the cables in. Okay, good. Yeah. So this is the new battery. I'm going to check the video to confirm the colors, the wire colors, and I'll be back. So the way it's oriented right now, it's black on the left, red in the middle, and then white. So let's place the battery roughly in the position, and then I will begin to solder the wires. I'm moving the red and white out of the way a bit. I will start with the black, which is on the left side. Yeah, fine. I'm going to remove the tape to red. That's black. No, short circuit. There we go. So now I'm going to solder the red wire. And lastly, I'm going to solder the white one. Alright, I think we're good. No, just that. Like it. No, get out of here. Let's see. Wait, 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 wait. Now, here's our idea. So, this is what I have. Now the screen is still not turning on. I don't know if it's a matter of the flat battery, or I noticed because on the back cover there's this plate right here, and I believe it bridges these 2 points here, this point and that point, and maybe that's what activates the battery. So it's a safety, so when you remove the back cover it disconnects the battery. Let me try bridging those two with my tweezer and see if I get. No, I didn't see anything, so maybe the battery is completely flat. Anyway, let's let me get a cable, plug in the power and see if that does anything. I have the cable. I'm going to plug it into my USB meter. Let's see if this draws anything. Ah, it's drawing. Oh, it came on. It's drawing to 150 milliamps. And it shows the battery charging symbol blinking. Before it wouldn't show that. Put the screen back on. Or is the screen dim? Alright, I'm going to disconnect it, close it up. Oh, there we go, it came back to being bright. Okay, let's close it up and then I'll charge it for a bit. So upon inspecting it more closely, there were some tabs that I had to bend inward before it would seal properly. So I did that and it's now completely sealed. Let's plug it in. And it is blinking the charging symbol, and it's taking 250 milliamps. There we go. You can see the symbol, the battery symbol blinking. So it is charging. I will charge it overnight, but just to show that the battery is working, I'm going to unplug it, and then you'll see that the screen will stay well lit, or the iPod will stay on. Okay, I have unplugged it, and as you can see, now we're running on the battery, and it shows that it's 3/4 full. I don't know, anyway, but it's working on battery. Plug it back in to charge it fully. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.